It is well said, either you control your mind or your mind will control you. And once you have control over your mind, you have control over everything. Here at Presidency University, Department of Learning and Development has organized the biggest mind mapping marathon. They say that they will be given a word where they have to further divide it and divide it and divide it and make it into a biggest world map, like world map and mind map. So let's get into it and know what it is all about. So we are here with Faculty Coordinator Professor Mini Pushkar from L&D Department, and now she's going to brief us about this mind mapping marathon.
Thank you so much. So this is something that we have taken up for CSE students. We teach them a technique called as mind mapping, which is one of the techniques that they use for building communication. So we have a module called as JAM, which is just a minute. And technique for how to create content for JAM is one of them is mind mapping. So what the students are trying to do is they're trying to create the biggest mind map. So I have no idea about what is the biggest mind map that we have right now in the world, but they're trying to create a biggest mind map, and they're trying to show that with one little word, one small topic, you can connect it to whichever, whatever, wherever. That is what they're trying to prove. So this is a small initiative which is being done by the students of 3rd SEM CSE.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I can say the limit of this mind map is sky or beyond the sky.
Yeah, it's unlimited.
Unlimited.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking with us. Let's go to students and have a word with them. So let's come and see what students are doing here at the mind mapping marathon. As you can see here, these students are doing that mind mapping on academic skills. These students are doing on communication skills. These students are doing on problem solving skills. Here they are doing on creative thinking skills. Here, organization skills. Here, customer service skills. Here they are doing on marketing skills. Here, as you can see, management skills. And the last one that we have is administrative skills. So here we have so much of skills, and they'll be doing the biggest mind mapping marathon, and it all will be collaborated, and we'll see whether it goes to the world's biggest mind marathon or not. So we are here with students doing this mind mapping. So let us do a quick fun activity with them. It's I'll be giving you guys a word, and any of you I'll give a word, then it has to be carried forward. Okay, so the word that I'm going to give you is environment.
Forest.
Forest.
Trees.
Trees.
Centuries.
Centuries.
Clean centuries.
Clean centuries.
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. So see, this is how environment started with environment, ended with the cleanliness. So this is what they are doing. They are doing this mind mapping and creating the mind mapping marathon. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. And our project is problem solving skills. And this is communication skills.
This is management.
And this is a creative thinking.
This is academic skills.
Administrative skills. Marketing skills.
Organizational skills.
Customer service skill.